How are you all? Today is Monday. Today is the 20th of April. Okay? So, I hope you all are ready with your maths exercise books and your course book. Okay? We need to see the maths course book today. We are going to do work from here. Alright? So, open to page 71. We are going to start with the word problems on time. Alright? So, how do we do a word problem? We have to draw the timeline. Okay? So, I have drawn the timelines for you. So, first write the day, the date and the title. The title is Course Book page 71. Okay. Now, the first thing is you need to copy the question. Where is the question? Number 1. Question is Bala. Copy the question. Look at question 1. Copy this. Bala started doing his homework at 9:48 a.m. He finished it at 1:05 p.m. How long did he take to do his homework? Now, in the book, they have given method 1 and method 2. Alright? There are 2 methods given in the book. Now, I am going to follow method 1. Alright? We are not going to follow method 2. We are only going to follow method 1. So, copy the question first. Alright, in word problem, you know what we do first? You have to understand the problem, then you have to plan, then you have to do, and then you have to check your answers. So there are 3 things in the word problem. You need to understand it, you need to plan it and do it, and you need to check it. 3 important parts to the word problem. Alright? So let's understand. I'm going to read again. Bala started doing his homework at 9:48 a.m. He finished at 1:05 p.m. Now, first, 9:48 a.m. is morning. So, he started his homework at 9:48 a.m. and he finished at 1:05 p.m. that is afternoon. Alright? Now, we need to find out how long does he take to do his homework. That means we are finding out the duration of time that he takes to do the homework. Alright? So, now look at the board. I have drawn the timeline as you can see. Now, you need to write number 1. You need to copy the question first. Then, leave a line or you can leave 2 lines if you want, so that you have space to draw your jumping jacks. Leave 2 lines. Leave 1 box from the margin. Leave 1 box from the margin and then draw your timeline. This line is of 10. This line is of 10 boxes. Okay? 10 boxes line. You can use a blue color or you can use a pencil to draw the line, but it should be dark. Okay, make sure it's dark. Alright? Okay, now we are going to write the start time, 9:48, and we are going to write the end time, which is 1:05. Alright? Start time is 9:48, that is in the question. End time is 1:05 p.m. Now, in the timeline, you don't need to write AM and PM. You can just write the time. You don't have to write AM, PM in the timeline. Alright? Okay, now let's start. The next hour after 9:48 is 10:48. So you draw your jumping jack 1 hour and you jump to 10:48. So next is 11:48. You jump, the next hour is 11:48. The next is 12:48. So this is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Okay? Now after 12:48, the next hour is 1:48, but the time that he finished his work is at 1:05. So there is no 1:48. We can't take up to 1:48. We only have until 1:05. So what do? We go to the closest O clock. Remember, I told you this is O clock. O clock means 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That is the meaning of O clock. Alright? So the nearest O clock is 1 o'clock, because after 12:48 comes 1 o'clock, then 1:05. Alright? So the closest is 1 o'clock. Now from 12:48 until 1 o'clock, how many minutes? So I have minus here. Now remember, yesterday I told you O clock means 60 minutes. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. You must know this. 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 60 minutes minus 48 minutes. Alright? 60 minutes minus 48 minutes is 12 minutes. So from 12:48 up till 1 o'clock, there are 12 minutes. Alright? Then from 1 o'clock to 1:05 is 5 minutes. Remember, going forward, it's easy to count. When it's backwards, you need to minus. So you might get confused in that. So please remember, when you're counting backwards, it's always easy to get the nearest O clock. You must get the nearest O clock. Like after 8 comes 9, that's the nearest. After 9 comes 10. So the same way after 12, you go back to 1 o'clock. So the nearest O clock. Alright? Then you take 60 and you minus 48. The minutes that has passed. 48, you get 12. So now I have my timeline. He takes 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. 12 plus 5 is 17. So we write the statement. Bala takes 3 hours, 17 minutes to do his homework. Now remember, leave a line, draw a star, and then write the statement. This is word problem. You must write statement. Okay? Alright, can you see? Now I'm going to show you in the book also, so that you can have a look in the exercise book how it's done. Look at the exercise book how it's done. You can have a look. Alright, once you have finished doing this, leave a line and draw a line in blue.